The 24-inch large Y-axis turning center Puma 700 LY XLY series allows 3.3 to 5.1 meters long axis cutting. Maximize user satisfaction by implementing long axis cutting, which requires complex milling operation with a single setup. The Puma 700 LY XLY series provides a water processing window with a maximum diameter of 750 millimeters, maximum length of 3,280 millimeters and 5,050 millimeters, and a Y-axis stroke of 200 millimeters. In addition, the Puma 700 LY XLY series provides more powerful cutting capacity with a box-type guideway structure and a larger guideway span than existing machines by more than 20%. 6,605 Newton-meters of high torque is implemented using a powerful 45 kilowatt electric motor and a 3-stage transmission gear. Cutting accuracy in the C-axis is further improved with higher positioning accuracy and feedback than conventional machines by introducing an MP scale. Regular Y-axis improves rigidity, enabling drilling and tab cutting at an offset position from T-wedge, which has not been possible in 2-axis machines. A standard programmable tail stock with 33% higher thrust is introduced to make it suitable for long-axis cutting. Various types of vibration dampeners, such as hydraulic, programmable, or manual dampers can be used to support the workpiece. The operator's convenience is improved with an auto tool setter and an auto door. The design improvements further include a higher reliability sliding cover, which prevents skips and coolant from being emitted, as well as better accessibility to hydraulic system components, including the hydraulic oil tank. The long-axis large Y-axis turning center Puma 700 LY XLY series guarantees powerful cutting performance and high accuracy. Top-level quality and reliable performance ensures the highest level of productivity for customers.